Hey, it's your girl Chab, and today I'm coming at you with a product review on the new Anastasia Beverly Hills and Amrezy highlighter. It is this beautiful, majestic thing right here. I already swatched it and stuff and played around with it, but it is nice and it is juicy. And I'm going to be comparing it to the old Anastasia Beverly Hills Illuminator, and this is in So Hollywood right here. I do not have a highlighter on right now, but I'm going to be applying it and showing you how it looks on the skin and giving you my thoughts on it. So if you want to know my thoughts on the new highlighter from Anastasia Beverly Hills in collaboration with Amrezy, then let's get started. All right, guys. Sorry, I didn't mean to scream, but I got this highlighter right here. It is super beautiful. Check it out right here. Oh my god, guys, I live for the perfect glow. That's what it says on the back of it. She left a little note, so I think that's really cute. This is the new highlighter that is the collaboration with Amrezy here. She is a Instagrammer, a very famous, beautiful person. I don't know too much about her, but I do know that they collaborated before, and now they're doing it again with this beautiful highlighter. And if you've seen some of her pictures on Instagram, her glow is like out of this world. She got a little streak right here. I don't know if it's edited or what, but girl, if I see a glow like that in real life, then I'll be like blinded by the light. This highlighter right here is limited edition. It claims to have 9 grams of product. Okay, so this junk has got a lot. And look at this huge pan right here. Like, y'all see that? 9 grams of product there. And then it's got this cute little like wave here. Like, I think that's pretty cool, like how 3D that looks. So this retails for $28, which is a little bit expensive for those who want a little bit of a glow. Like, you can get something from like Wet n Wild or whatever, and I'll also give you that glow too. I know there's a couple of highlighters that they make that are really good, but guys, this highlighter I've already swatched, I've already played with, and it is unreal. I also want to compare it to the old Anastasia Illuminator. I guess this was limited edition. I had no idea, but they don't have it available anymore, but I wanted to compare it because this one everybody was raving and ranting about. And this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills So Hollywood Illuminator here, and this is like what it is right now because I used it constantly, especially when I had a tan. So the difference between the two of these that I want to mention really quick, well, first of all, packaging. This is the new, this is the old, which I gotta say, love this packaging a little bit more. It's nice, it's compact, and it's bigger, I feel. It still has 9 grams of product too, and it had this cool like little divots in here so your brush can pick it up really easily and stuff. But overall, like packaging design, I think they really stepped up their game. It's really beautiful, nice, sweet, and suave. Yes, queen. Let me swatch it for you real quick. So here is the Anastasia Amrezy highlighter here. Come on. Oh yes, queen. I think they're both $28 and stuff. This one, I'm sure the inflation has gone up tremendously. Still super smooth light, so definitely because it is now a discontinued product, is going to be a little more expensive. But guys, look at that. So these are the two here. So right here, this is Amrezy one, and then this one here is the So Hollywood. So difference wise, as far as the swatches go, they are not the same color. So definitely the So Hollywood one is a little bit darker, is a little bit more towards for the deeper skin tones, and then the Amrezy one is for medium to light. So I think that's good that they came out with something that's a little more for the light skin, but I think this highlighter can also work for the dark skin just because it has golden undertone there. It's gonna be beautiful, everybody. So let's apply it onto the skin because I have not really done that yet, especially over makeup. So I have my makeup already done. We got the bronzer, we got the blush, we just need the highlighter. So I'm gonna take my favorite brush to apply highlighter with, and everybody's favorite brush. Okay, this is not a spons video, hashtag not spons, okay, but I love this brush for highlighting. This is the Morphe M510 right here. It's this nice fluffy brush right here. I don't really care for the fan brushes to apply my highlighter just because it's not concentrated enough, but I like something like this. So I'm gonna pick it up. So it is like, there is a little bit of like a flyaway, you call this, or kick up. I feel like with these type of dryer formulas, they do that, which I don't find it an issue. It just makes the pan a little bit dirty. That's all I gotta say. So I'm gonna just tap some of that off right there and apply onto the skin. So here we go. This streak is too much, so we gonna blend her out a little bit. But guys, she don't play. She do not play. Look at this, guys. All right, so if you want to amp up your game with your highlight, put it like right here on the cheek like that. So when you're looking at, this is like sick nasty. I love this, guys. Okay, right now I'm not even playing games. Okay, hashtag not spons. Okay, I know I played around with this on Instagram and Snapchat, and like, guys, okay, Okay, so what I really like is the color. Like, this is like a beaming light from the heavens above. My soft boxes right now, they are shook because of how bright this is. I might cry. This is so beautiful. People might think this is too intense, but guys, there's no such thing. I need Nikki tutorials on this right away because she's talking about blinding highlights, but guys, hello? Maybe she already did one. I'm late with these, you know, these product reviews and stuff because I don't got money like that and no one sends me PR. Like, who is she? But yeah, let's take it up here. This one I learned from Auntie Jackie Ina. Hello, thank you. My forehead is looking like Christmas Day, like frosty. Hello, we coming through. I know this is a little big. This brush is a little big for the brown bone, but whatever. We're gonna do this right here, right now. Guys, one of my favorite steps with any makeup application is the highlight. And do you see why? Like my cheek went from like to like insane in the main brain. Insane in the brain. So what I can see here is it doesn't emphasize any pores or any texture, which is great for me because your girl is in her later 20s. So things happen, age happens, it's okay, all right? Yo, like this makes my face look wet. It makes it look dewy. It makes it look shook. And you don't need a whole lot. You just need a little bit. You go like this, tippity tap, tip tap, and then you just go in and just apply it. So let's do that. Come on, girl. Look at that glow. Come true, glow. Come true. I like to put it on the apples of my cheeks because my cheeks are like very round and stuff. Let's bring it up here. Why not? On the chin, the first chin, not the second chin. We do not want to emphasize her. Cupid's bow. She looking frosty. Let's put it on the nose. I am guiding Santa's sleigh with his nose. She is bright. Get some interquarter action right here. Guys, I look so dewy. Look at me. Look at my face. Bing, 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 bing. All right, let me share you my final thoughts with y'all. All right, guys, I think you know what the verdict is for this highlighter. It is Chab. I love the packaging. It is nice and sleek and chicy deaky, Amrezy, and y'all, I don't know what you did with this, but this highlighter is G. This has become one of my favorite highlighters. Like, this is up there. This is up there with my favorite highlighter from Stila, the Heavenly Hues highlighter. Like, it makes my skin look wet. It makes it look dewy. It makes it look beautiful. It's like second skin, which I just read on the back of the package right here that it's like second skin finish and like natural glow. And I feel like, I mean, it is a little bit heavy because I did go a little bit overboard here, but I feel like it is just a nice like dewy. I mean, some of y'all think that this type of highlight is like too much and stuff, but for me, especially somebody who cakes on the makeup, like I feel like this gives luminosity back to my skin because I put tons of powders and things on my face all the time, and sometimes my face can look a little bit cracky and nasty, and this right here just, it makes the life come back. It makes the moisture and everything come back into the skin, and that is what I love about this. So as far as price point and product and everything like that, I think that this is a fair price point, especially for the brand itself. Anastasia, she is more of like the higher end makeup, you know, like the Sephora like tier makeup. There is like drugstore, there's Sephora and Ulta, and then there's like high end like Macy's, Nordstrom, whatever type deal. So love the highlighter. Now what I will say, the negative on this highlighter, which is not a huge issue because it may or may not work for some of you with deeper skin, but this might not work for deeper skin because right now I'm looking at it and it does look nice and frosty and stuff. Definitely good for those who have like a medium to a little more tanner skin tone. I think light skin probably will have an issue with this because gold tones tend to look a little funny on them. No offense. It might do, it might don't, or whatever. But definitely for like the deeper like skin tones, like once you go past NC 45 or something, then it gets a little tricky, I guess. But I know with Amrezy, she has tan glowing skin, and I mean, obviously I don't think she would make a product collaboration that wouldn't work on her skin, okay? But yeah, overall I think this is a really beautiful product. It's like second skin on the face. It makes my skin look wet, it makes it look dewy, it makes it look beautiful. So I hope you guys try it out and tell me what you think in the comments down below. So if you like this review, then please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and follow me on all these social medias down below right here. And ding ding, hit that notification bell because your girl make new videos every Friday. So beyond and shook. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions or what you would like to see next. As always, thank you for watching. Bye. I need Nikki tutorials on this right away. I need you get amp up your my soft box steps with any makeup application. Anastasia Beverly Hills in collaboration with